Flight attendant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What the hell is this? I can't fly with this dude. He's unresponsive. He's passed out. I think he's drunk.
Yeah, he is obviously drunk, and this is totally unacceptable behavior, which does not fly with us. If you could be patient with me, what I will do is I will upgrade you to first class, but first I have to get him out of the plane. If you don't mind waiting for me, we're going to take care of all of this, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. While we wait for security to escort this wino out, the flight attendant said that this behavior does not fly with us. We use this idiom when we want to express that we're not okay with something because it does not fit our standards, because we can't tolerate it, or we simply don't want any part of it. Let's look at some examples. Oh, hey, Jose. How you doing, man?
I'm doing pretty good, buddy. You know, just working.
I think I'm doing okay. I showed up 20 minutes late from my lunch break.
I noticed.
Well, the boss didn't, and I told him I was helping you out. Cover for me, man.
Omar, I wish you hadn't done that, buddy.
I would do it for you any day of the week.
That sort of stuff doesn't fly with me. I wouldn't do it for anyone. I wouldn't ask anyone to do it for me. So if the boss comes around asking me questions, you're on your own, pal.
I hope you don't ever ask me for money, ever again.
Whatever. Wait a minute. I've been on the line for 2 hours and you're telling me that I got another 15 minutes? Oh, you're no good. You're incompetent. I don't even know how you got your job. I'm going to make sure your ass gets fired, you son of a...
Hey, sir. This is a public plane. There are children around. That kind of language doesn't fly around here. You should watch your potty mouth, sir.
Sorry, man. I'll have to call you back. Sir, I apologize. I got a little carried away there. Obviously, this is totally unacceptable behavior. My apologies, honestly.
Apology accepted. Come in. Oh, hey, Dad. Bobby, Mike, Miguel, and Tommy are here. We're having a sleepover. Cool, huh?
Not as cool as watching them go home because this is a school night. You haven't done your homework and your room is a mess.
Mike's going to do my homework and we're early birds. Don't worry about that, Dad.
Son, you know the rules of the house and you know that this sort of stuff just doesn't fly with us. So you work on getting your friends to go home and I am going to enjoy watching them walk home. That's it. Done.
This is all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed this video and were able to grasp on how to use this idiom in real life situations.
And the beautiful thing about this idiom is that there is no way for somebody to confuse what you are saying. If something doesn't fly with you, it just doesn't go with you. You are not willing to tolerate it, to accept it, or deal with it.
Right. Guys, if you would like to see more of this type of content, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people interested in improving their English find this content as well. Bye for now.
Take care.